y'all, so I made it to where I'll be backpacking for the next couple of days, and today is the day before we start backpacking. So today's Tuesday and we officially start on Wednesday, which is tomorrow. So today I am just camping here. This is like the base camp before we start our trek, and I'm about to set up my tent for the night, and everyone else is setting up their tent. I forgot to say this is actually the Fjällräven Classic USA, so it's through the brand, and I'm excited for this adventure.
I have 3 total, and so 2 are for lunch and 1 is for dinner.
This is,
and then there's also dessert and utensils over at the orange.
okay.
All right, y'all, so I checked in and got a whole bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna go to the car and try to get my life together with all this stuff. All right, y'all, so I got a whole bunch of stuff. Let me show y'all what I got. So we got some food. This is actually my first time trying these backpacking meals. Utensil kit. We got some wag bag for the bathroom. A trash bag. Got a water bottle. A shirt. Socks. Fuel. This is the passport. This is a map. I definitely got a whole bunch of stuff, so I'm about to get organized because it's already stressing me out just not being organized. Thankfully yesterday I organized like my stuff, so I'm about to just figure out how to put the meals in my backpack. I need to put my clothes in there that I'm gonna carry to sleep with, and yeah, I think that's about it. I think I'll be ready, honestly. Not much left to do. So after I organize all this stuff, I think we're gonna have dinner and like a fireside chat. I decided to hop on the 8 a.m. shuttle, so I want to get a head start in the morning. I don't want to be backpacking late. And I feel like 8 is a little bit late already, but it's okay. Gives me more time to sleep in. So yeah, let's get all this stuff organized, and I'll check back in with y'all later. Hey y'all, good morning. Today is the day I am backpacking with Fjällräven, and I just weighed my pack, y'all, and it weighs 29.7 pounds, which I'm excited about because that's light for me considering I usually go on the heavier side. But we are about to head out in like 10 minutes, and I'm so excited. Yeah, 29.7, y'all. So I got about 10 minutes before I gotta get on this bus. So I'm gonna try and take some more pictures real quick before we get going. I'm so excited. Gonna be backpacking 30 miles today. And yeah, I'm so excited to take y'all along the journey. We are on the way to go start backpacking. Taking a little bus ride first. Hey y'all, we are out here backpacking in Colorado, and
your bottle's threatening to come out.
oh, it is. Thank you. Yeah, you can, please. Thank you. It's empty, that's why. It has like nothing in there.
Try from the walking, it wiggles up.
Yeah. So we are in Colorado. We are at, what forest is this? Arapahoe National Forest?
Oh, I do not know.
I think that's what it's called, Arapahoe National Forest.
Yeah.
Here made some new friends from Texas.
Hey,
Represent. So we just started. It is like 9 something, probably 10 now. I can tell it's gonna be a hot day. But yeah, so excited to take you out along this adventure in Colorado. Some gummies for the road. Believing. Hold on to that feeling.
Just getting serenaded with
I
gummy
know, right?
words.
I was like,
Come
wow,
on.
this is awesome.
yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Wow. We're almost at the first checkpoint. Well, technically this is checkpoint number 2 because the first one was just a quick stop. But we're about to have lunch. We've clocked in, I think, a little over 4 miles, right?
Yeah.
4 miles.
We're almost there.
Yeah, we're almost there. It's day 1, but yeah, we're almost there. About to have lunch. I'm so hungry. I did not eat enough breakfast because I was in a hurry to get on the bus. So really looking forward to lunch. This is where I'm about to set up my tent, right here in this little tiny sliver of space. I think it's gonna work. So yeah, let's set up the tent right here. Hey y'all, good morning. Last night I slept here and I slept really good. So right now we are packing up everything and getting ready for day 2 in the mountains. So I'm about to eat some breakfast and then we're gonna start hiking. So I am eating, this is Backpacker's Pantry, and y'all, these meals are actually really good. It's my first time eating them and they actually taste really good. Today we got 11.8 miles, I think, something like that. So definitely gonna get these miles in today. There's an option to hike down to a lake, which I'm not sure I'll be doing. I'm gonna listen to my body today, just see how I feel and play it by ear. I am already feeling tired, honestly. Just these first few walks already hitting me, but one step at a time. Oh, we are way high up, 11,000 feet. As I am feeling, I am tired, but at least I've gotten through the hard part so far. So it should be easy now. Oh man, it's exhausting to say the least. So these are old train tracks. We're about to pass over it. It's full of scary, huh? So we're gonna do it.
Welcome.
That's where everybody goes to the lake.
Right here. So if you want to go down the lake, you follow this road, and then you can actually see the trail coming down over there, and that'll take you down to Corona Lake.
Hey y'all, I am heading to Camp 2. It felt so nice to just chill at the checkpoint. I literally sat there and just ate and just chilled. My right shoulder is kind of hurting and it's kind of getting on my nerves, so I decided to skip out on this second lake option. So there's an option on this trip to hike to another lake. You can drop off your packs at the checkpoint and hike to another lake, but y'all, I was too tired and honestly just want to take it easy on my body. So I decided to just chill. And now I'm gonna hike to the campsite. I'm gonna get there a little earlier. There is a lake there too, so definitely gonna put my feet in the water there and just hang out there a little bit more. Look at this view, I can't get over it. This has been my favorite view so far on this backpacking trip. Views are absolutely amazing. So beautiful. There's definitely lots of flies up here though. I see the next campsite. There's the lake down there and the campsite is also down there. I cannot wait to get down there. It looks so nice and peaceful. This trail is a little steep though and rocky, so I gotta be careful not to fall. Made it to the lake, y'all, and I am exhausted. It's so beautiful, but I'm extremely exhausted, to say the least. We're here. We made it. I'm about to set up my tent and just go put my feet in the water. Whew. Hey guys, good morning. Today is the last day of our backpacking adventure, and yeah, it's so cold. Today we're hiking around 9 miles, I think, back to the Trekker's Inn, and once we get back, we get to have barbecue and celebrate. So I'm excited for that.
the relative size of
Little
your foot.
chipmunk. Oh, baby. Oh, we're almost there. Oh, I cannot wait to get back. Oh, I saw lightning, y'all.
I did too.
Oh my God.
Okay, let's go down. Hey.
Did you see that lightning strike right there? Oh God. Yeah, it's time to get off this mountain. Woo, we're almost there. Yay.
You guys, welcome in.
Oh, we did it. Made it. Finally finished. 30 miles in 3 days, y'all. Like, this is the most miles I've ever hiked, but such a great experience, and it feels so good to be done. Just got my last passport stamp, and right now we are just eating some yogurt, waiting to get on the van to ride back to Truckers Inn, where we'll actually have dinner. Got some nice barbecue waiting for us, and I can't wait. How do y'all feel? Done. Hey, woo! We did it. It's a little Texas crew here.
Houston,
represent. We made it back. Made it back to Truckers Inn, where we get to eat and celebrate and do all the things.
Left you sitting there